Welcome back. This is part 3 of SMT. My name again is Sam Bourgeois, your Educational Technology Coordinator. Last time we left off with creating communities, and I had this dummy user account and a fake community here that I'm going to just do a few exercises with. We talked about the tabs that are available inside the SMT community: Feed, Document, Wiki. I'm going to go ahead and click on Wiki. This is a good place to start. Wikis are essentially the same in theory as a Google Doc. Okay, and the purpose of a wiki, and wiki means quick in Hawaiian. Wiki is quick, fast, or simple or easy. And a wiki is a quick, fast, simple, or easy way to collaborate on a single document or a single file. So when I click on Wiki and create new, you can see that I have some simple document editing tools: bold, underscore, italics, things like that, all the way over here to font color and highlighters. I also have a couple of other tools that look pretty familiar to you. I'm sure you can figure those out. What I want to talk about, though, is the insert feature. Okay, so again, this document, this wiki, is an editable document that can be edited by multiple users. Only one user at a time can edit this document, though. So only one person can have it open and change it at a time. Keep in mind, this is not permanent. Okay, so this document this document is not something where you want to put important information that is important to the entire class. Okay, so it's not a permanent document. Let's go ahead and fix that. If I right-click, I can see that word is misspelled. I can fix the spelling. I'm not going to waste your time here, though. I want to insert something. So if I want to insert, let's say, an image, I'll click on Image and upload a file, like my user profile pic. Click on Upload in the upper right-hand side of that little window, and it'll load up in a second here and even give me a preview. There it is. I'll click OK. There's my image. So that was easy. That was simple. Loading up pictures isn't too bad. You can actually drag and drop those too. I'm going to try something a little more difficult. I'm going to insert a link. Now I can link to websites, link to wikis, link to documents, link to topics, users, or even a community. So this is a very cool, very powerful way to create communities that are essentially part of another community, connected to another community. This is a great way to lead students into new units, or lead students into new sections or topics. I'm going to go ahead and click on Link to Website just to show you how this works. And I'm going to type in our home page, www.loweryukon.org, and I'm going to call the link LYSD and OK. Now, by inserting this link in this way, so that's number one, by inserting this link in this way, that's much cleaner than the typical full URL, where I would expect someone to copy and paste that into their browser. This is just much smoother, much cleaner. Okay. One thing I really love about the SMT Wiki, though, is the ability to insert content. So if I insert content, it says here embed content. It's a really nice, really dynamic way to embed videos and cool things like that into my wiki. Here's how it works. I'm going to paste my HTML into this window. What HTML, you ask? Well, if I was to find a great video on Facebook, YouTube, TeacherTube, or TED, Ideas for Spreading, this is a great video by Sabuta Mitra showing how kids teach themselves using computers. And let's say I want to share this video. I'll just click on the share button. Every YouTube, every TeacherTube should have a share button. And it says embed this video. Here's the link right here. I'm just going to hit copy. Now that it's copied, I'll come back to my first tab and paste that information, say OK, and now my video is ready to be played inside of my wiki. Let's go ahead and save this wiki, and we're going to name it. Let's talk about SMT Wiki Overview. And I can save it now. Before I save it, though, I may want to add a description. I'll just enter some random text, and I may want to add a tag. This is where it gets really neat, because if I tag this, remember that search bar in the upper right-hand side will search for all those features. I'll hit save, and now we have our wiki.